All right, let's dive right in, shall we? I've been looking over this article you sent my way.
Oh, yeah. The UWAT one.
Yep, that's the one. How to Streamline Wealth Management with AI. Really got me thinking about, well, the future of finance and how AI is going to play a role. It's interesting what he says about AI, not replacing humans, but rather,
Empowering them.
yeah, empowering them to be even better at what they do, making them more efficient.
I think that's a really crucial distinction to make. It's not about machines taking over, but about giving financial professionals these powerful tools. Like, think about,
Oh, and don't forget, there's that example in the article about Klarna, that Swedish payment
oh,
company.
right, where they used AI to basically do the work at
700 employees. Can you believe that?
700. That's wild, right?
I know. Makes you wonder what could happen when you apply that kind of power to, well, managing money, right?
Yeah, it's a huge shift. And like any big change, it comes with questions, concerns, even.
Oh, for sure. And the author, he doesn't shy away from it. He basically says AI is a must-have, not just some cool new trend. Future of finance hinges on it, he says. What do you think? Is he being a bit dramatic?
Well, it's definitely a bold statement, no question, but look around, right? AI is transforming so many industries already. And finance, with all its data, the complex decisions, it's ripe for disruption. You snooze, you lose, right?
Right. You can't just ignore it and hope it goes away. So the article lays out 5 key ways AI is already impacting wealth management. And honestly, some of these are pretty mind-blowing. First up, cost efficiency and scalability.
Music to any business owner's ears.
Right. The article talks about automating those tedious tasks like data entry, freeing up humans for, well, more important things.
Exactly. Less number crunching, more time to really understand your clients, their goals, building those long-term strategies. It's about using human talent where it matters most.
Makes sense. And the second point, enhanced personalization. That's something we can all get behind. Imagine getting financial advice that's actually tailored to you, your habits, your goals.
Forget the cookie cutter approach, right? This is the next level stuff here. AI can analyze your spending, figure out how much risk you're comfortable with, even how you react when the market takes a dip. It's like having a superpowered financial assistant in your pocket.
Okay, now this next one's really interesting. Advanced analytics. The article talks about using AI to basically help financial professionals make better decisions, spot trends before they happen.
Exactly. It's like having a crystal ball, but with a lot more data and algorithms backing it up. Imagine being able to anticipate those market shifts, identify new opportunities, and adapt in real time. That's the kind of edge AI can provide.
An edge that previously only maybe the big players had access to. But then the article brings up lowering barriers to entry, AI leveling the playing field, so to speak.
Yeah, this is really exciting. Those super powerful AI tools that used to be exclusive to the big institutions, they're becoming more accessible now. So smaller firms, even individual advisors, they can offer these sophisticated services, more competition, better service. Everyone wins.
Except maybe the big guys who liked having the monopoly. Okay, last but not least, the article talks about future-proofing, a word we hear a lot these days, but it really applies here, doesn't it?
Absolutely. The message is clear. You got to stay ahead of the curve in finance. And AI, well, it's changing the rules of the game. Adapt, learn the new tech, develop those uniquely human skills that complement AI. It's the only way to thrive.
All right, so we've talked about the what, but now let's get to the how. How can someone actually incorporate AI into their, let's say, wealth management process? The article suggests starting by taking a close look at how things are done now, kind of like an audit.
Exactly. It's about pinpointing those areas ripe for automation or improvement. Think data entry, risk analysis, maybe even parts of portfolio management. That's where AI can shine.
Makes sense. And when you know where AI can fit in, then you can start, well, shopping around. The article mentions IBM Watson, Salesforce Einstein, Google Cloud AI as examples.
Right, but those are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole universe of AI solutions out there, each with its own strengths. It all comes down to your specific needs and goals.
And if you're feeling overwhelmed, well, the article suggests finding a friend, so to speak, partnering up with some of these fintech innovators.
Oh yeah, collaboration is key, especially if you don't have in-house AI experts. These partnerships, they're like a shortcut to the cutting edge.
So after this deep dive, after reading this article and talking it through with you, one thing is clear AI is going to change how we manage our money. Big time.
No doubt about it. Efficiency, personalization, accessibility, it's all on the table. But with all this talk of AI taking over, it really begs the question, what about us? What do we do?
Yeah, if the machines are doing the heavy lifting, what new skills do human advisors need to learn? How do we stay relevant? How do we stay valuable?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It is, and it's one we all need to be thinking about, whether you're a seasoned financial pro or just starting to think about your financial future. This whole AI thing, it's exciting, it's a little scary, but it's definitely not going away.
And who knows, maybe it's not about us versus them, but about finding ways to work together, to create something even better than we could have imagined.
There's a thought. AI and humans, not as rivals, but as partners. That's definitely something to chew on. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. I know I learned a ton, and I hope you did too.
Always a pleasure. And remember, folks, stay curious, stay informed. The future is coming, whether we're ready or not.
That's right. Until next time, of Team 29.